Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ronnie and here we learn how to keep it simply slayed. So this video is going to be real quick. I have a bunch of errands to run and I need to do my face. However, I figured this would be the perfect time to do a 10-minute makeup challenge. So it usually takes me about 30 minutes to do my makeup, like a full face. So this will really be a challenge for me. I did my brows off camera because if I didn't, it would take up the whole 10 minutes. So I cheated a little bit, but it's whatever. Okay, so if you want to see what comes of this challenge, then keep watching. But before you go, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment down below. And let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and set 10 minutes on the clock and get myself situated here. I actually laid out my products, so hopefully I don't have to spend a bunch of time reaching, trying to find what I need. Again, I'm going to try to do a full face. Hopefully this don't look a hot mess. I'm like nervous actually. I don't even know why I'm so nervous. So I'm scared to hit the button. I feel like I should have a product in my hand as soon as I hit the button, so that. Alright, what are we doing first? Oh, we priming first. I'm gonna open the primer. That's not cheating, right? I'm just gonna have it open so that I could, just grab it and go. Alright. I'm ready. 10 minutes. Starting. Yeah. Okay. So I'm priming my face using my holy grail finger bell. Just going to hit that over. Okay. Let's see if I'm spending too much time already on this. Alright, foundation. So we're using my Maybelline. Oh, too much. I usually go in with my brush first, but I think I have that, so I didn't put on too much, but whatever. We're gonna make it work. Maybe not. Maybe I didn't put too much on there. And guys, this look might be also helpful for those busy people, busy adults. I mean, you ain't gotta be an adult to be busy, but if you're in a rush and you just gotta throw something on. Of course, people are gonna be texting me right now. I don't have time to waste. Let's check your message. Guys, sorry for my phone going off. I should have put it on Do Not Disturb, but I figured I wouldn't hear the alarm if it went off. My nose. Alright, I'm going to try to take my brush and blend this out a little bit. Well, smooth it out a little bit. Dang, that was 2 minutes? Oh my god. That was not 2 minutes. Okay. I have to pay attention to the clock. Alright, I'm still on foundation. I just feel like the foundation gotta be good, and then hopefully everything else will come into place if the foundation is good. Alright, let's conceal. Hopefully I don't knock this makeup over because I am not even closing stuff up. Hopefully. Beauty blend again. I actually want that to dry down a little bit, but I ain't got time. Usually let it dry down. Actually, let me go ahead and put this all over my eyes so that I could prep my eyes with some eyeshadow. My arm tired. I got 6 minutes and almost 30 seconds left. And I haven't even started my eye. Okay, yeah, so it looks like we're definitely doing one eyeshadow color. Come on. I'm sorry, this concealer just can't be all, you know, cakey. Alright, boom, boom, boom. Let's go ahead and put some translucent powder, some setting powder, whatever the heck you want to call it. I'm going to go ahead and set this. I'm setting all with one color right now because I need to put some concealer on my nose to cover that little spot. 5 minutes, 45 seconds. God. How do people do this? In 10 minutes? Do people really do this in 10 minutes? I feel like they'd be lying. There's no way. There's no way you do a full face in 10 minutes. And you just be popping. Alright, boom, boom, that's done. Go ahead and hit a little contour. Hopefully this don't come out crazy because... Okay. It's almost 5 minutes. I should already be on my eyes, but okay, that looked a little crazy, but okay. Let's try this. Let's fix that. There we go. Boom. A little too heavy. Alright, whatever. We're gonna try to blend that out later. I'm going to go ahead and that looked crazy. No. 4 minutes, 30 seconds. Set my eyes. Alright, we're going to fix that. We're going to put some of this on the eyelids. My eyeshadow is going to be a hot mess, but Doritos. What we doing? Something simple. Come on, make up your mind. Right, come on. Let's do this. Burnt orange. I'm going to just go ahead and put that here. 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Put this all over. It's supposed to be like a transition color. Give me more. I don't even have time to switch brushes here. So, just put brown in this corner. Smoke this out some. We're going to try to get a wig color on here. Get a wig color. Ooh. Okay, we're going to do it. 2 minutes, 30 seconds. I mean, I feel like this color could definitely be more vibrant if I was to, like, you know, spray, brush, but 14 seconds. We're going to take this burnt orange color and we're going to try to blend that in there. Make this all blend together. I don't know why this burnt orange don't really look orange on here. Maybe because I didn't use a white based concealer or something. 1 minute 17 seconds. Get a little something. Mascara. 45 seconds. I guess we ain't going with no eyeliner on the top. That's fine. Let's go. 30 seconds. Gotta get some highlighter on.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2.
We're going to on the lip. Okay. We're going to stop. Okay. Alright guys, so I don't even know. My face look all dry. I ain't get to spray it or nothing. But yeah, this is what I came up with in 10 minutes. So yeah, I'm definitely going to go ahead and put my eyeliner and all of that stuff on before I go out the door. But I did want to at least show you guys what happened in 10 minutes. So I got my foundation on, got some concealer on, I did a little contour, a little bit, and I got some eyeshadow on, got a little smoky eye going on. I think that's probably where I should have just did one color and left it at that. I got some mascara on. Yeah. So let me see if I could make it a little better if I just spray my face. Okay. Let's throw on a lip liner. Okay, looking a little better with a liner. So it's looking like I would really need maybe like a 15-minute challenge, and then I probably could pull off a whole little looky situation. I'm gonna throw on some bottom eyeliner. Probably need to sharpen this. You know what I should have probably did. I mean, obviously, if I didn't have to do eyes at all, this would have been a full beat probably look. But okay. So I'll be back. I'm gonna take my scarf off and really show you what I guess I look like. Yikes. Alright guys, so here it is. This is what it looks like, my 10-minute makeup challenge. Lord Jesus. But I mean, it don't look that bad. Like I've seen worse makeup. I've done worse makeup, especially in the beginning. But it don't look that bad. But I'm definitely about to spruce this up a little bit to make it look better for me to go outside. But yeah, I'm not mad. I think for 10 minutes. Let's just zoom in. Let's just zoom in. Ooh, a little too close. Back it up. Back up. Back. More. Oh, okay. No. ahead and focus it. Alright, so I don't know, tell me what y'all think how I did. I feel like my brows is definitely giving more of a dramatic look. I need something a little more natural, but I'm not mad. But yeah, I'm about to definitely go ahead and spruce this up. So but thank you guys for watching. This was actually pretty fun. It was a little nerve-wracking for me. Like, my heart was like really beating. I don't know if I thought I had money on the line or something if I didn't get a good look. But if you guys like this video and you want to see like more makeup challenges or challenges in general, let me know. Drop some ideas down below in the comment box. But make sure you subscribe, like, and leave some love in the comments. Tell me how I did. Tell me what you think I could have done to probably got a better look in 10 minutes. And I'll probably bring you guys a real 10-minute, like, everyday makeup tutorial, especially for these Zoom meetings, because, baby, can't be getting on camera looking crazy in front of all these kids. But, yeah, thank you guys for watching, and remember, as always, keep it simply slayed, and I will see you guys next time.